I cannot believe it.
What?
Well, I just came back from the science fair and I won first place.
Oh, that's nice. What was your project about?
I needed to know that buoyancy force can be created by displacing water.
Oh.
And so my demonstration was about buoyancy force, that it can be created by displacing water. Although clay is more dense than water if it is shaped so that it displaces enough water out of the way so it can float.
And so what does buoyancy force has to do with this?
Water applies a buoyancy force to the clay. Gravitational pull pulls the clay down, but if the clay is shaped so enough water is displaced, then the buoyancy force of the water will be stronger than the gravity.
Oh, I wish I can do this project at home.
Oh well, you could. You just need some supplies, which are clay and a water with a container.
That is great.